Welcome to a quick guide on pinning a chat in WhatsApp on your PC with the latest update. If you're juggling lots of conversations, this little feature can save you a ton of time by putting your most important chats at the top. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and have an active internet connection. You'll land on your chat list, just like you would on your phone, but optimized for a desktop experience. Now, locate the chat you want to pin. Scan through your list and pick the conversation that you want to keep front and center. It could be a family chat, a work group, or a contact you message every day. The goal is to have it always accessible without scrolling. With the chat highlighted, right-click on it. A small context menu will appear with several options. This step is quick, so you'll have your pinned chat set up in seconds. From the menu, choose Pin Chat. You'll notice the selected chat move to the top of your chat list, typically marked with a pin icon or a small badge indicating its pinned status. This visual cue helps you distinguish pinned chats from the rest. If you ever need to unpin, simply repeat the same process. Right-click on the pinned chat and choose Unpin Chat from the menu. The chat will return to its original place in the list order, making room for other conversations to rise to the top. A couple of tips to get the most out of pinned chats. Keep your pinned list focused by limiting it to a few essential conversations. This prevents clutter and ensures that your most important chats stay visible at a glance. Regularly review which chats you've pinned to align with your current priorities, whether it's work, family, or urgent projects. That's all there is to pinning a chat on WhatsApp for PC. It's a small tweak with a big impact, helping you stay organized and responsive without endless scrolling. Give it a try and notice how your daily messaging flow becomes smoother. If you have any other WhatsApp tricks you'd like to master, drop a comment and I can walk you through them step by step.